Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adjusting the transition delay in WordPress. In this tutorial, we will walk you through every necessary action so you can change the transition delay setting on your site with confidence and ease. To begin your journey, open your preferred browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page where you will see an option to log in. After clicking on the login button, you will be prompted to sign in. At this stage, you are encouraged to choose the option to continue with Google. When you do so, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply select the one you wish to use and proceed. This streamlined sign-in process is designed to make accessing your WordPress dashboard quick and convenient. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard where you can locate a variety of helpful features. In the quick links section, look for the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will immediately bring you into the interface where you can make changes to your site's layout and settings. This area is essential for managing your website content and design, including various dynamic elements such as image carousels. Within the site editor, you will now navigate to a specific section dedicated to the image carousel block. Carefully scan the page until you find the image carousel block, which is usually visibly placed among other content modules. Once you have located the carousel block, click on it to select it for further adjustments. This selection is important because the image carousel block contains the settings that allow you to alter the transition delay. Paying careful attention to the image carousel ensures that you are modifying the correct component. After selecting the image carousel block, your attention should turn to the right panel where you will find several tabs related to the block's properties and design. Click on the block tab within this sidebar to reveal a series of configuration options specifically linked to the carousel's behavior. Within these options, you will find a setting labeled Transition Delay. This is where you have the flexibility to adjust how long each image or slide remains visible before transitioning to the next. Carefully moving your cursor to the transition delay control, you can now modify the timing to best suit your website's needs. Adjusting the transition delay will change the pace of the carousel's sliding effect, allowing you to customize the user experience. For example, if you prefer a slower transition, increase the delay, and if you want a faster pace, then decrease it. Experiment with different durations until you achieve a transition speed that complements your design and content arrangement. Remember that even minor adjustments can significantly affect how visitors interact with the visual elements on your site, so take the time to fine-tune the settings. In summary, this instruction guide has taken you from accessing the WordPress homepage and logging in using your Google account to navigating the quick links and entering the site editor. You then move through selecting the image carousel block and accessing its block tab where you successfully adjusted the transition delay. By carefully following these steps, you have now customized an important aspect of your site's appearance and user interaction features. Enjoy the improved dynamics of your carousel and the enhanced experience it brings to your audience.